Hey food lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today I have a super easy and delicious recipe for you, my cheesy lasagna sheets recipe. This is a quick and budget-friendly twist on traditional lasagna, perfect for a cozy dinner or a family gathering. With its gooey cheese, rich pasta sauce, and just the right amount of spice, this dish is bound to be a crowd pleaser. If you love cheesy comfort food but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen, this recipe is for you. So, let's dive right into it. Here's what you'll need. 8 lasagna sheets. Water plus salt for boiling the sheets. Salt to taste. 1 cup pasta sauce. 1/4 teaspoon crushed red chili. 1/4 teaspoon MSG, optional. Your favorite cheese. I'm using light mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Feel free to add any additional spices you love. Step 1. Boil the lasagna sheets. First, bring a large pot of water to a boil. Add a generous pinch of salt to season the pasta while it cooks. Add the lasagna sheets one by one to prevent them from sticking together. Boil them for around 7 to 10 minutes, or until they become soft but not too mushy. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. Once done, drain the water, but keep around 2 to 3 tablespoons of the starchy pasta water in the pot. This will help thicken the sauce later. Step 2. Prepare the sauce. Place the pot back on the stove on low heat. Pour in the pasta sauce and give it a good stir. Let the sauce simmer until it thickens, which should take about 5 minutes. Now add salt, crushed red chili, and MSG for that extra umami kick. Adjust the seasonings to suit your taste. Step 3. Add the cheese. Once your sauce is rich and flavorful, it's time to add the cheese. I'm using a blend of mozzarella and cheddar cheese for that perfect stretchy and gooey texture. Stir until the cheese melts and coats the lasagna sheets beautifully. The cheese will turn the sauce creamy and luscious. Step 4. Serve and enjoy. Plate up your cheesy lasagna sheets and garnish with a little extra cheese on top. You can even sprinkle some fresh herbs like basil or parsley for a pop of color and added freshness. Serve it hot and enjoy the ooey gooey goodness with your favorite side salad or garlic bread. Quick and easy, unlike traditional layered lasagna, this one-pot recipe saves you time without sacrificing flavor. Budget-friendly, simple ingredients, big taste, customizable. Add veggies, meat, or extra spices to make it your own. Perfect for cheese lovers. The creamy, cheesy sauce is pure comfort on a plate. Don't overcook the lasagna sheets. They should be al dente for the best texture. Adjust the spice level to your liking by adding more or less crushed red chili. For a healthier twist, use whole wheat lasagna sheets or low-fat cheese. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tasty upload. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know how your cheesy lasagna sheets turned out or share any twists you made to the recipe. For more delicious recipes, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking! Stay hungry, stay happy, and keep cooking. Bye for now.